Welcome back, guys, to Mathematical Mindset. So right here, guys, we have an algebra math question right here that says AB is equals to 100, BC is equals to 200, CA is equals to 300. We are to find A plus B plus C. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to simply name our equation. So we're going to call this equation 1, call this equation 2, and also call this equation 3. So the first thing we want to do is to solve for A. So for A, all we want to do right here is to simply multiply equation 1 by equation 3 and divide through by equation 2. And this implies that equation 1 we have it to be AB multiply equation 3, which is CA, over equation 2, which is BC. And this is equal to AB, we have AB to be 100 multiply CA, which is 300, over BC, which is 200. So at this point, this is going to cancel out this, and this will cancel out this, and we have this to be A times A is A squared, which is equal to 0 is going to cancel out 0, 0 will cancel out 0, so we have this to be 1 times 300, 300 divided 2 is 150, so we have that A squared is equals to 150. So for B, all we want to do for B is to multiply equation 1 by equation 2 and divide through by equation 3. And this implies that equation 1 we have it to be AB multiply equation 2, which is BC, over equation 3, which is CA, which is equals to AB we have it to be 100 multiply 200 over CA, which is 300. So right here, C is going to cancel out C and A will cancel out A. So we have this to be B multiply B, we have it to be B squared, which is equals to 0 cancel out 0, 0 cancel out 0, and we have 1 times 200, so we have 200 over 3. And hence, this is for B. For C, all we want to do is to simply multiply equation 2 by equation 3 and divide through by equation 1. And this is going to give us equation 2. We have equation 2 to be BC, multiply equation 3, which is CA, over equation 1, which is AB. And this is equal to BC is 200, multiply CA, which is 300, over AB, which is 100. So A is going to cancel out A and B will cancel out B. And we have this to be C times C is C squared, which is equals to this cancel out this cancel out this, and we have 200 times 3 is going to give us 600. And we have this right here to be the value for C squared. So once we are done with this right here, the next thing we want to do is to find A plus B plus C all square. Now we are going to square this because each of the value for A, B, C, they are all carrying square. So we are going to make use of this. And A plus B plus C square is equal to, if we expand this, we are going to have this to be A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. If you expand this, we are going to have this right here. And we already know what A square is, B square is, C square, AB, BC, and CA right here. So let's simply impute it inside. So we have here to be A plus B plus C all square is equals to A square. We have A square to be 150 plus B square. We have B square to be 200 over 3 plus C square. We have it to be 600 plus 2 into AB. We have AB to be 100 plus BC. We have BC to be 200 and CA. We have CA to be 300. Okay, so we have that A plus B plus C all square is equals to 150 plus 200 over 3 plus 600 plus 2 into 100 plus 200 is 300. 300 plus 300 is going to give us 600. And we have that A plus B plus C all square is equals to 150 plus 200 over 3 plus 600 plus 2 times 600 will give us 1200. So we have this right here. And from here, we have that a plus b plus c all square is equal to, so let's simply come back here. Now I want to simply add all of this together. I want to add 150 plus 600 plus 1200 together. So let's simply come back here and we do that. So we are going to add in, so we have this to be 150 plus 600 plus 1200 plus 200 over 3. So we have this to be a plus b plus c all square is equals to 150 plus 600 is going to give us 750. 750 plus 1200 is going to give us 1950 plus 200 over 3. So let's take in the LCM. So we have here to be a plus b plus c all square is equals to, the LCM here we have it to be 3. Here is over 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 1950 will give us, it's going to give us 5850 plus 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 200 is 200. So we have here to be a plus b plus c all square is equals to 5850 plus 200 is going to give us 6050 over 3. So the next thing we want to do is to simply take the square roots of both sides. So taking the square roots of both sides, we have the square root of a plus b plus c all square is equal to the square root of 6050 over 3. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have that a plus b plus c is equal to the square root of 6050 over 3. Now you can decide to leave your answer like this, but let's simply break our answer forward. So the first thing we want to do is to express 6050 as a prime factor in index form, and we can do that by simply looking for the LCM of 6050. We can go with 2. 2 into 60 will give us 30. 2 into 50 will give us 25. So what else can go? We have 5. Here we have this 5 into 3025 is going to give us 605. 5 can still go. 5 into 60, 12. 5 into 5, 1. 11 into 121 is 11. So write this in its index form. We have that a plus b plus c is equal to, let's simply box this right here. So we have this to be the square root of 2 times, we have 5 here, which is 5 square, multiply 11 square, all into 3. So this makes this 11 square. So from this we have that a plus b plus c is equal to the square root of 2 times 5 square multiply 11 square over the root of 3. We have that a plus b plus c is equal to the root of 2 multiply the root of 5 square multiply the root of 11 square over root 3. And we have that a plus b plus c is equal to the root of 2. This cancel this, we have multiply 5 times this cancel this, we have this to be 11 over root 3. And we have that a plus b plus c is equal to 5 times 11 is 55. So we have 55 root 2 over root 3. Okay, so we can easily rationalize right here and multiply 2 by the denominator, which is root 3. And we have that a plus b, so I'm just going to put this right here, you rationalize. Okay, so we have this to be a plus b plus c is equals to 55 root 2 times root 3 will give us root 6 over root 3 times root 3 is going to give us 3. And guys, this is our answer.